to Thailand. We're here in Suvarnabhumi Airport. Punta kami sa basement, yung sa yung railway nila, and then sa management. There basement floor, Airport Rail Link 1. Ito na po kami. Bababa po kami. Hey! Hanap din namin. So number 4, flight 4, mayroon dun pababa. Ayan. Down. So let's just follow the basement floor. Ang ano nila dito, yung mga train nila up until 12 p.m. so still. This is the airport rail link na. This one here. However, we need cash here. So we'll come back here. We'll just have to. Magkano exchange rate? Magkano exchange rate?
HP ganina.
There. Oh, okay. So here. Okay. Then we'll kami sa airport rail link. Bumili kami ng ticket. Ito. It's 45 baht each. Here. There. Yup. There we go. Now, sakay na kami.
Pabalik.
Yup.
Attention please, attention for your safety.
Buying tickets for the BTS. From the airport, they issued tokens, 45 baht each person from airport to Thai. Now here, we'll buy tickets. This is the BTS ride. 17 baht each person.
Here, Thai station, but we need to go to another BTS to connect papuntang Ratchathewi. Joshua Thomas daw. There, Thomas. You have your own building. We're here sa Payatai station, and then we just bought our tickets papuntang Ratchathewi because look at this. There's Sukhumvit line, they call it. We're interconnected. So, dito kami now. We're going here. Nice. We're here. One station. Ratchathewi. Here we go. So, baba na kami sa Ratchathewi station. Maglalakad na kami papunta sa aming hotel, which is, it says 6 minutes na lang. Yeah. North. We're on the right track. So, yan. Ratchathewi. Then, we'll go left. Turn left na kami. Ito na yun. Dire-direction lang. Tapos, mga palatandaan, dadaanan mo yan. We're 5 minutes away. Oh. This is another hotel, and then another lot of massage parlors. Ooh, I'll need some of that.
มันบริแข็งแบบจังถนนเนี่ยเขาเรียก
And we're here. Tuk-tuk. Tinin.
May tao nila.
Ah, we made it. It's our hotel. Wander on later. Yeah.